In this video, we're going to show you how to download Terraria on PC and laptop. Alright, so the first thing you can do is go to Steam. If you have a Steam account, most people have who plays video games pretty much have Steam. So while in the homepage, what you need to do is go to this search bar here on the upper right corner and just type in Terraria. And as you can see, it's going to show up. There are a few options here, but click on the first one. After this, you're going to be brought to the Terraria page, and you need to scroll down a bit and click on add to cart by buying Terraria. As you can see here, this is in Philippine money. This is arguably like $8 US. Just click add to cart, and then you're going to be able to buy it. And if you've been using Steam for a while, you know how to install, so I don't need to tell you that. The other way to do this is going to a different store, which is Epic Games. So as you can see, we are logged into Epic Games, and sometimes Epic Games, actually no, most of the time Epic Games gives out free games. So sometimes, you know, like Terraria isn't available right now, but sometimes they do give out free games, and sometimes, hey, maybe Terraria will be one of the free games that you can get. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.